In this video, we will go over how to save and export a project. Here we have an example test chart. If I would like to just save my work and work on it more later, I can click on a button that says Project on the top right of the page. When clicking on this, you'll be given the options to create a project, to open a project, or to save a project. Click on Save Project As, and this will open the Files folder where you'll be able to save it wherever you like. Now let's say that instead of saving, I want to export a project because I'm done working on it. Click on the button that says Export on the top right corner. This will give you several options of exporting your project. I will show you how each would export as. For the first option, we have video. After saving into the Files folder and opening the file up, the media player will pop up and play your chart. You'll get both the visual of your chart and the audio as well. For the second option, we have audio only. This will give you an audio clip of what your data sounds like, and it will show up on your media player as well. For the third option, we have audio as MIDI. This will give you an audio clip as well, but will appear in your MP3 player instead. For the fourth option, we have image. This will give you an image of your chart and will show up in your Photos app. For the fifth option, we have is vector image. This will give you a visual of your chart and will show up in a new tab on your web browser. The sixth option we have is CSV data. This will give you an Excel file with the X and Y value data of your chart and their corresponding titles. The seventh option is the text description. Your Notes app will open containing the text description you wrote previously. The last option we have is Highcharts configuration. This will give you a JavaScript file containing all of the data and configuration of your chart. These are all of the options you have available when it comes to exporting. You can pick whichever you'd like based on your preference or situation. I hope this video helped giving you a brief overview, and if you have any issues or questions, you can click on the back button here on the top right of the page. This will redirect you back to the main page. Scroll down and you'll find the feedback section. The email that you can email us is listed here at accessibility@highsoft.com, and you also have the option of clicking here on this feedback thread to share any issues or comments you might want to share with us. Thank you for watching and happy editing.